Communication went him very well. We'll need to wait and watch what he does now.
आज जो पिच के ऊपर स्ट्रिप इस्तेमाल हो रही है वो अलग है कल से। कल की जो पिच थी उस पर काफी ज्यादा घास थी। आज की जो जो सतह है उस पर कुछ क्रैक्स दिख रहे थे सुनील, उसके बारे में जरूर चर्चा करेंगे इस बॉल के बाद। बड़ा शॉट, बड़ा नतीजा।
Absolutely, I think what Rajiv got communication is right then.
चलिए, चैनल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन तो क्लियर है, पता है क्या चाहिए।
And if you look at the way he went back, got stood as straight as possible. Good one. And you mentioned about the pitch as well. This one, today's pitch, is closer towards the other side of the boundary where we see the side screen and the main screen as well. That's the one. Stand and deliver. That's the big one from Rajiv.
शिवलाल यादव पवेलियन के अंदर डिस्पैच किया, बड़ा शॉट, करारा शॉट। काफी देर हो गई थी, सिक्सेस पड़े नहीं थे। देखिए कहां से बॉल डाली, पॉपिंग क्रीज के पीछे से रिलीज कबीर सदानंद का, लेकिन स्टैंड्स के पीछे बॉल।
स्टंप के पीछे आपने बॉल तो डाल दिया, मगर बॉल भी स्टैंड्स के पीछे चले गए।
वो वेट ही कर रहे तेरी बॉल का। छोड़ो मत शाबाश।
चलिए, ये तो नए दोहे लिखे जा रहे हैं इस समय राजीव के बल्ले से। कबीर के दोहे आप याद रखिए। एक और, इस बार नतीजा वही। 3 बॉल 3 छक्के, देवा खुश ड्रम्स बजाते हुए। कबीर फिलहाल बॉलिंग के ऊपर अपनी बल्ले की छाप छोड़ते हुए।
That's a clean one from Rajiv. And if you look at it, he is not moving. He's absolutely stand still, stand tall and hit straight. This is what the communication went.
और कम्युनिकेशन इस शॉट में भी थी, क्योंकि मारी कहा सीधा मुंबई हीरोज के डगआउट के ऊपर कि लीजिए थोड़ा सा टेस्ट रखिए। 50 का आंकड़ा भी पार उस 6 के साथ। देवा एंजॉय करते हुए ड्रम्स पे। फिलहाल मुंबई हीरोज के फैंस एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे इस ओवर को। 50 तो पहले ही क्रॉस कर लिए थे पिछले 6 के साथ। अब और रन आते हुए 5 वाइड।
The pressure shows it all on the bowler. You know, after getting hit for 3 sixes, and he needs to come up with a somewhat different plan. Bowling round the stumps did not work to Kabir, and more than that, he missed out on the buys as well. Bowling a wide is fine, but bowling 5 runs, giving 5 runs is, at this stage, it's too tight.
The partnership is worth 55 runs of just 25 balls, which means these two have been scoring at a strike rate of over 200, and this has turned out to be a bumper over. 24 runs, and there's still 2 deliveries to go.
It's a side screen.
Let's see what Rajiv can do in the remaining 2 balls here.
Why are they hiding?
Sunil, I wonder what's the problem with the side screen. Rajiv is sighting a ball as big as a football. He's hitting it cleanly. Another one. It's in the air. Kelkar trying to get under it. He can't get there. He's just a bystander. The 4th 6 of the over.
That is Rajiv for you, Raman. Absolutely, he's a strong lad. He's been playing consistently First Division League in Bangalore in Karnataka, and he's too good.
Well, it's officially now been declared a no-fly zone over Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, with Rajiv hitting those big sixes now. Any airborne objects, beware. There could be some unidentified cricket balls in the sky. They're pleading for a caught behind there, and it's given. Kabir Sadanand has the last laugh. He finally gets his man on the last ball of the over.
Finally, after getting hit for 4 sixes, bowler gets agitated. Finally, he got his man. But Rajiv has done the damage.
Yes, it's turned out to be a bumper over. 30 runs coming off it. Let's take a look at the dismissal again. Slightly short, quicker as well, off the top edge. Sharp catch by the keeper, Shakib. You've got to give him credit. It's never easy to latch onto those when they come off the outer edge. Rajiv gone for 31, and it's 65 for 2.